On Monday morning, the Board of Health voted 7-2 to extend the emergency face covering rule until May 27th.
I'm hopeful that we'll be able to rescind it sooner, but I don't want us to be in a situation where we're left without a mask mandate when we actually really need one.
Health Officer Matt Kelly reported COVID-19 cases in Gallatin County were trending upward since the last meeting and told board members he recommended keeping the mask rule. Board members in support of keeping the mask rule and Kelly agreed they'd welcome revisiting the rule again in early May. But board member and Gallatin County Commissioner Joe Skinner said it's time to start lifting the rules now.
It's time to let up on some of these restrictions. Hospitals in the county are not full of virus patients. There's adequate capacity. I don't doubt that if we take away all of these restrictions that there will be a certain uptick in cases, but I don't think we're going to overwhelm the hospital because of it.
The Board of Health also voted 8-1 to amend the Phase 2 reopening rule, which increases the maximum party size at tables to 8 people for indoor group events and for restaurants, bars, coffee shops, bowling alleys, distilleries, and casinos. It also decreases the minimum distancing between bar stools from 6 feet to 3 feet. Capacity would remain at 50% for these establishments, but members of the board say they plan to revisit the topic in early May.
This is, for me, the hardest rule to find solutions to, because it really impacts people's livelihood in a number of ways, and we take that really very seriously.
The Board of Health also voted unanimously to rescind the quarantine and isolation rule and to rescind the rule for limited visitation at nursing homes and assisted living facilities in Gallatin County. This removes the enforcement mechanism for the rules. However, the health officer guidelines still stand.
We're going to continue to do contact tracing. We're going to continue to ask people to go into isolation and quarantine to reduce the risk of spread. And we're going to continue asking, through my health officer order, long-term care facilities to honor that 14-day rule.
Reporting in Gallatin County, Gabby Crevitt, MTN News.